Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Inphonite. Today we're going to go over how to add a caller ID. The first step is to log into your account through either the website voice.infinite.com on Internet Explorer or the Infinite Voice Windows app. For this tutorial, I will be using the Infinite Voice Windows app. After you have logged into your account, you'll want to access the Account Settings tab. For Internet Explorer users, that tab will be located on the left-hand side near the bottom. For the Windows app, the account settings will be located in the upper right-hand corner. Now that we are in the account settings, we will scroll down to the section labeled Identity and Email Settings. There we will find a drop-down labeled Default Outbound Caller ID. We want to click the Add button and enter the phone number that we'd like to assign to the caller ID. Next, select OK. If this phone number will be the default caller ID, we will want to select the drop-down and click the phone number. Next, click Save located below. Now that the caller ID has been entered, we will want to assign the caller ID to the rule. To do this, we will locate the tab labeled Rules Engine on the left-hand side and select it. Next, you want to select the rule that you want to add the caller ID to. In this case, it'll be Primary Phone Reminder. Now scroll down to the section labeled Advanced Settings near the bottom. There you will see the setting Outbound Caller ID. Select the drop-down and choose the phone number. Next, hit Save down below. You have now successfully set a caller ID. Each rule that sends phone calls can be assigned a separate caller ID of your choosing, but it must be a real phone number. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our customer service portal for more technical support resources.